Are you seeking to breathe new life into your aging iMac 2011? Look no further than the AMD Radeon HD 6970M 2GB graphics card upgrade. This powerhouse of a GPU, originally designed for Dell laptops, has been meticulously modified to seamlessly integrate with your iMac, delivering a performance boost like never before. With its GDDR5 2GB memory and GPU clock speed of 900 MHz, this card promises to revitalize your iMac's graphical capabilities, whether you're into gaming, graphic design, or video editing. Say goodbye to laggy frame rates and hello to smooth, immersive visuals. But it's not just about raw power. This upgrade offers compatibility with Mac OS, ensuring a seamless user experience without any hassle. Plus, with its MXM 3.0 type interface, installation is a breeze, making it the perfect choice for both tech enthusiasts and novices alike. Concerned about reliability? Rest assured, this card comes with a 3-month warranty and year-long after-sales service, backed by over a decade of experience in laptop graphics cards. We stand by our product and are committed to providing you with premium quality and lifelong professional tech support. So why wait? Elevate your iMac's performance today with the AMD Radeon HD 6970M 2GB graphics card upgrade. Unlock its full potential and experience computing like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.